हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर पॉडकास्ट चैनल। आज हमारे साथ है शौर्य सानड्य एंड वो उनका लेबल है लेबल शौर्य सानड्य। तो आज सुनते हैं उनकी कहानी उनकी जुबानी। सो हेलो मैम।
हेलो।
सो मैम, मैं चाहता हूँ कि दर्शकों को आप बताएं कि यू बीइंग अ बीकॉम स्टूडेंट, वहाँ से जर्नी आपकी फैशन में कहाँ आ गई?
हम बीकॉम से बहुत ही लंबी जर्नी थी।
ओके
बीकॉम किया, उसके बाद मास्टर्स किया इकोनॉमिक्स में।
ओके
बट खुद कुछ करने का पैशन था। मैंने एक साल जॉब भी की एक आईटी कंपनी में।
ओके
तो वो एक साल ऐसा लग रहा था मैं कहाँ हूँ, मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ ये
Okay.
दिस इज नॉट समथिंग आई रियली वांट टू डू।
ओके
And the zeal to do something of my own, to have a business of my own, was something that I've always dreamt of. And designing was not like मैंने उसमें डिग्री ली है, but it started as a hobby.
सो बेसिकली
but
यू आर
it's now
सेइंग कि फैशन में इंटरेस्ट था बट उसके साथ साथ उसकी डिजाइनिंग में भी इंटरेस्ट था।
हाँ, तो
Oh, wow.
बचपन में जैसे हम लोग जाते थे किसी की शादी में या किसी का कोई फंक्शन हो रहा है, तो मुझे वो बहुत एक्साइटिंग लगता था क्योंकि मुझे खुद के कपड़े बनाने का बहुत शौक था।
क्या बात
तो
है।
मैं बचपन में बोलती थी मम्मी मुझे ये पहनना है, मुझे ये उसकी ड्रेस जैसे उसने बनाई थी वो ये कलर में चाहिए। तो मैं उस चीज़ को बचपन से ही करती थी।
Beautiful.
एंड नाउ आई एम living off it.
Very nice.
So I
Very
turned
nice.
that
So
passion.
when did you started this fashion field?
I firstly started making videos on YouTube, and I used to
Okay.
do a lot of styling content.
Okay.
Then from YouTube we moved to Instagram. Instagram started to pick off, and then in 2017 we started with the label.
Wow.
So
Wow.
yeah, it's that long.
So what information that we have is कि this is your first label exhibition
Yes.
in Pan India.
Yes, yes.
Wow.
So we've always had an online presence, and this is
Okay.
the first time that we're doing an exhibition.
Okay.
So exhibiting my collection here has been a great experience. I
Okay.
hope
It's
it's gonna get a little more fruitful response.
Nice.
And yeah, I'm really excited for this.
Okay. So how's your life as a content creator? Because it's like we can see your page. It's like it's filled with lots and lots of follower fan base.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Life is as a content creator is fun. Like
Okay.
a lot of people think अरे ये कुछ नहीं है.
Okay.
But when you just see
When
the
you're in like
when
other
you're
side of the table.
yes, when you're at the other side of the table, when you're actually in it,
Yeah.
it is very hectic.
Obviously.
Because
it takes a lot of guts to do that.
guts से ज़्यादा it takes a lot of effort.
Okay.
It might look like all simple and glam, and you're traveling and you're
Yeah.
doing this, but actually life of a content creator is like you don't have a day off.
Okay. Okay.
Even on a Sunday you're working because you
Correct.
have to
Create
just
content.
be connected with your audience, because
Correct.
that's who made you where you are, right?
Correct,
I mean,
correct.
they are the ones who push you, and
Correct.
to stay connected, to stay relevant, to just be around them, to just give them the content that they want to see.
Okay.
You have to keep working.
Correct.
So you don't have a day off. Even your vacations is like work.
Okay.
After
Correct.
a point.
There is no more personal and professional difference.
No,
It's-
no,
everything is one.
yeah. Everything is one.
Correct. So, what was your favorite content of your life till now?
Favorite, every piece of content is like my favorite.
But one content like you gave your heart and soul, and you were like, I want this to come like a big success.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता.
नहीं
पता आप
होता.
एक कंटेंट जब डालते हो
हाँ.
आप अपने ऑडियंस के लिए,
Okay.
you put in your heart and your
So-
soul and your everything that you have in
Sweat
you.
and tears,
Yes,
everything.
everything that you have, just so that they start liking it, or
Okay.
they interact with it. They
Okay.
like what you're doing.
Okay.
So I won't say that one piece of content. It's every day when you put a content, you're like, आज हे भगवान आज ये वायरल हो जाए.
Okay, so for the people who don't know, she's married right now, and she had a content about her Sangeet function, which had a hit of 7 million views, I suppose.
That was a normal video, dancing video that I posted with my husband.
So
and
how was your dream wedding? How was it?
it was magical.
Okay.
Like,
Was it a love marriage or arranged marriage?
it's a love marriage which we arranged.
Okay, it was a love come arranged. Okay, very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah,
So, how was it?
it was magical. I don't have words to express it more than the word magic, because that was everything that I dreamt of.
Okay.
I had my close ones, I had my friends,
Beautiful.
and it was just perfect. Like, I couldn't have asked for more.
Okay. Beautiful. So, how's the support of your husband regarding the label?
If I'm the face of the label, my husband is the backbone of it.
Beautiful.
So I mean, I won't say कि it's just just me all over.
Okay.
If you can see what I'm doing, and the content creation bit, the label bit, and everything else put together, which takes a lot of effort, if I'm in the face of it and I'm working towards it, my fuel is Amit.
Okay.
So that backbone support that I need, that every woman needs,
Yeah.
is him. So
Okay.
I mean,
Very
I think
nice.
that's how I can explain
Okay.
it.
Okay. So right now you are into Designers Dome exhibition right now.
Yes.
So what's your plan with it? Like first exhibition, Raipur में. So it's a very big thing for specifically when it comes to Raipur people, because अगर एक first exhibition कोई अपना label लेके आ रहा है रायपुर में, तो it's a big thing. So how are you feeling with it?
I'm excited,
Okay.
firstly.
Okay.
और दिल से चाहती हूँ कि जितने भी pieces लाई हूँ सब बिक जाए.
वापस लेके ना जाना पड़े.
वापस कुछ लेके ना जाना पड़े. That's the aim that I'm here
Okay.
with. तो अगर हो जाए तो अच्छा है.
Touch wood. Okay. And what's your future plan? Are there gonna be more exhibitions like this?
So this was our first exhibition, and to be honest, we wanted to experience how it really goes.
Okay.
So based on this experience, we would obviously want to do a few more exhibitions
Okay.
to figure out how it is. And the best part is that when you have an online presence, you don't have a direct contact with your customers
Correct.
and your clients.
Correct.
But when they walk in, you can actually put in an effort to explain what the design is.
Correct.
That personal touch.
The connection.
The
that it
connection
builds.
is
Nice.
what is very, very important that I
Okay.
realized
Okay.
yesterday and even today.
Okay.
And I mean, that's a beautiful sort of a feeling to, like,
The
just
moment that comes in.
just to show that this is what it
Okay.
is, this is what I made, and maybe this will look good on you, and this
Beautiful,
color, and these
beautiful.
designs. This
I can see that charm in your face right now. The eagerness you want to tell people how it's gonna look on them.
Yeah, I mean, it's nice. Matlab, you won't believe, in Pune. So this was my dream when I started in 2017.
Okay.
This has always been my dream that I spot someone randomly on the streets wearing my design,
Oh.
and I run to her
Okay.
and I say, यार ये आपने जो पहना है वो बहुत अच्छा है, आपने कहाँ से ली?
Okay. Okay.
तो एक बार ऐसा हुआ था. So we are also on e-commerce platform.
Okay.
तो उन्होंने I think purchase Nykaa से किया था.
ठीक है.
Nykaa fashion से. तो I spotted her and I ran towards her.
Okay.
I was like, listen, hi, I love what you're wearing. Where did
Okay.
you get it from?
Okay.
And I wish she would have just said कि there's this label called Label Chaurus and Nadia, but she couldn't
Correct.
connect to that.
Okay.
She just said, I bought it from Nykaa.
Okay.
I said, oh, it's looking nice, and I
She was
said,
not able to connect with
yeah,
the
yeah,
brand
yeah,
right
yeah,
now.
yeah. But that वो ड्रीम अभी भी है मेरा, but
It's
ठीक है,
fine.
वो आधा पूरा हुआ.
It's okay. It's okay. वो होगा.
हाँ, फिर मैंने उनको बोला ये मेरी डिजाइन है. I just loved it on you, and I really enjoy
Very
आपने ये
nice.
पहना तो,
Beautiful.
and then I went ahead and I clicked a picture also.
Oh, very
So
nice.
yeah, आधा हुआ, but हाँ हुआ.
Okay. Okay. And where do you want to take this label to? Like, what's your plan regarding your business?
Obviously expanding this.
Okay.
And also having my first flagship store.
Okay. Very nice.
We also want to get into a little heavier designs.
Okay.
So maybe in future we'll get into bridal and semi-bridal wear as well.
Okay.
So
So
that's-
right now, what type of genre that we cater
Right now we are only occasion wear.
Okay.
So festive occasion wear,
Okay.
light festivities to heavy festivities.
So we are planning to get into bridals as
Yes, that's what we are planning to do,
well. Okay. Okay.
and that's the future plan.
Okay. So how's that journey from drawing it to making it see real and then someone wearing it?
वो तो मतलब अभी कल ही हमारा एक piece like we sold one
yeah.
piece, and again when I say that online में उतना समझ नहीं आता, people do send us pictures and people do
Definitely.
send us videos that it looked great on us. This is I wore it for my friend Sangeet. It's nice, but when you see a person in real,
And see
Where-
the touch out of it.
and then they're just seeing that they're also happy, they're twirling. Then so one when I sold one piece yesterday, she was so happy with it. She was like, it's looking really nice on me and I want to take it now. And it didn't, and because size ka thoda issue tha, I was like, ma'am, if you want, like, we'll alter it for you.
Okay.
And we'll send it across. She's like, no, I'll get it altered. I want to wear it for my some function, she said.
Okay, okay.
So I was so excited just to, like, the gleam in her eyes. It's a different feeling.
Obviously. It's almost a dream come true.
Yes, it is.
So half phase आपने पुणे में complete किया,
It
half
is.
रायपुर में किया,
हाँ.
थोड़ा सा जो बचा हुआ है, it's gonna happen someday somewhere.
I hope so.
Okay. Anything that you would like to say to the people or anything that you like आपने जैसे आपको मौका मिल गया कि आपने अपना फील्ड स्विच कर लिया, but there are some people right now जिनको घुसना है इस फील्ड में but they are not able to.
I know.
So anything for them?
I get a lot of this question कि
Yeah.
I really want to do something, not just design, a lot of other things. I want to start something, but I'm not able to.
Yeah.
मैं उन सबको यही बोलती हूँ कि you know लाइफ में डिसीजंस डिफ़िकल्ट होते हैं हमेशा. कि आपको ये करना है या नहीं करना, आपको यहाँ से जंप करना है या नहीं करना, वो लाइफ का वो ही एक डिसीजन है जो सबसे ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट होता है.
Okay.
क्योंकि जब मैं जॉब कर रही थी मैं भी बहुत ही कम पैसे कमा रही थी.
Correct.
और जब मेरे को स्विच करना था तो मेरे मॉम डैड ने बोला था कि तुम देख लो तुम्हें कैसे करना है.
Yeah.
मतलब हमसे मत एक्सपेक्ट करना, तुम
ठीक
देख
है.
लो तुम्हें कैसे करना है. बट वो एक स्टेप जब मुझे पता था मेरे पास कोई है नहीं बैकिंग,
Okay.
वो इतना डिफिकल्ट था. बट वो एक रिस्क जो मैंने लिया, अगर आप भी ले सकते हैं तो आई थिंक लाइफ बदल जाएगी.
Okay. All thing is called one risk.
इट्स जस्ट दैट वन
One
रिस्क
risk. Okay.
दैट यू हैव टू टेक.
Okay. Beautiful.
Yeah, one risk to change your life
Okay.
from what you want it to be and what it is right now.
Beautiful.
So you figure it out after that. उसके बाद डाउनफॉल भी होगा ना, तो आप अपने आप को खुद खड़ा कर लोगे ये
Because there
बोल
is
के.
nothing to lose.
You have nothing to lose. You
Correct.
actually have nothing to lose.
Okay.
And you know that this is what you wanted to do. You will make sure that it happens. And life में even if it's a downfall or even if you've made a mistake, it's okay. It's not a big deal. You will come out of it somewhere or the other. If everything goes up, things will go down. It'll come up
That's
again.
how life is.
That's how life
That's
is.
how heartbeat goes
Yes.
on. Nice. Okay. We have a small rapid fire for you.
Okay.
It's gonna be 10 questions.
Okay.
And you just have to answer like ऐसे quick with them.
Yeah. Okay. Like one word or like.
It can be your thing.
Achha, okay.
Whatever you feel
Okay.
like. Okay. Can we start?
Yes.
Okay. So what's your Bollywood celebrity crush?
Vicky Kaushal.
Okay.
I rapid fire था, अभी आपको जल्दी पूछना है.
But you said it so sweetly. Okay, we'll start again. Okay. So what's your favorite Bollywood crush?
Vicky Kaushal.
Okay. What's your closet essentials?
Closet essential, white t-shirt.
Okay. Fashion experiment.
Dopamine fashion, like play around with a lot of vibrant colors.
Okay. Favorite color palette.
Pink, like the shades of pink.
Okay. What's your dream collaboration with a designer?
Some luxury designer, maybe Christian Dior or Louis Vuitton, comes up to me and says, "Sure, we want to collaborate with you." That will be like I would faint.
Okay. Let's say if you want to get a chance to become a female celebrity, who you gonna be?
Me. Sorry if it sounds like anything, but I don't want to be anybody else. I want to just be me.
That's beautiful. That's really beautiful. Last question. What's your plan for traveling?
What's your plan for traveling, as in?
Next plan.
Next
Because
plan.
you are a traveler. You are
Yes.
a big traveler.
Oh, like
so
that.
What are you gonna plan next?
See, if you ask me, I love traveling.
Correct.
If I get a chance, I'll pack my bag today and I'll leave somewhere.
Oh.
But being a content creator and having a business by the side, it doesn't work like that. You can't do all of this. ऐसे रिस्क नहीं ले सकते हम.
Correct.
अभी सीजन टाइम भी है हमारा.
Obviously, शादी का सीजन चालू हो रहा है. दिवाली रास्ते में.
Yeah, so right after Diwali, I'm sure I'm going to pack my bags and take my husband. I'll be like, चलो अब let's just go
Done.
out. Yeah.
Done for this
Done
year.
for
Apart.
done for this season.
Okay.
अभी
This
हमसे
season
हाँ
खत्म
done
से.
for this season. फिर अभी दिसंबर में काम चलेगा.
Okay. So अगर आपको भी ये कहानी बहुत पसंद आई हो, so share, like and subscribe. Thank you.